Now students, we will start with our word problems. Question number 2. A classroom have 56 tables. How many tables are there in 17 classroom? So this question says in one classroom there is 56 tables. So we have to find out how many tables are there in 17 classroom. We have to multiply. I will show you how you will write. Word problems, when you will solve in your copy, no need to write the questions, you just have to write the answers the way I am writing. Question 2. In A means 1. Sorry. In one classroom, "56 tables. In 17 classroom, 56 into 17. So this 56 into 17 you will do in your rough space. Okay, but where question number 2 you are writing, your rough should be just near to it. ये नहीं कि rough एक जगह और answer solve की हो एक जगह, but it should be in the same page. 56 into 17 you write like this. Six sevens are 42, 2 carrot 4, 7 fives are 35 plus 4 39. 1 into 6 is 6, 1 into 5 is 5. Now put across, now add 2, 9 plus 6 15, carrot 1, 9. So answer is 952. This is equal to 952 tables. So after this you will put a therefore. So in 17 classroom, there will be 952 tables. Answer. Okay, this is the way. Now coming to question number 3, you can see in your book, a fruit basket has 36 fruits. How many fruits are there in 19 baskets? So we have to find out if in one basket there are 36 fruits, in 19 baskets how many fruits will be there. So we will write in one basket 36 fruits. In 19 baskets, 36 into 19 fruits. So same way near question number 3 we will do the rough. 36 into 19. 9 6 are 54. 4 carrot 5. 9 3 are 27 plus 5 32. 1 into 6 6. 1 into 3 3. 4 put across, 6 plus 2 8. 3 plus 3 6. 6 84 fruits. Therefore in 19 baskets there will be 684 fruits. Okay, answer. Now question number 4. A bus carries 105 persons. How many persons will 13 buses carry? So In one bus, it can occupy 105 persons. So in the same type of 13 buses, how many persons can go? So we will solve. In one bus, 105 person. In 13 buses, 105 into 13 persons. So 105 into 13. 5 3s are 15. So 1 3s are 0. 1 will come down. 3 1s are 3. 1 5s are 5. 1 into 0 0. 1 into 1 1. So 5 plus 1 6, 3 1. 1 3 6 5 persons. Therefore, in 13 buses, 1365 persons can be carried. Answer. See. Question number 5. A mathematics book has 264 pages. How many pages will be there in 12 books? In one maths book, 264 page. In 12 maths book, 264 into 12 pages. So right here, 264 into 12. 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. 2 carried 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 1 4s are 4. 1 into 6 6. 1 2s are 2. 8 4 plus 2 6. 5 plus 6 11. Carried 1. 2 plus 1 3. Therefore 3168 pages. Therefore, in 12 maths book, there are 3168 pages. Answer. See. Question number 6. Question number 6. In a tree there are 1237 mangoes. How many mangoes are there in 32 trees? So, one mango tree has 1237 mangoes. We have to find out number of mangoes in 32 trees. In one tree there are 1237 mangoes. In 32 trees there are 237 into 32. So we will do the rough work here. 1237 into 32. 7 2s are 14, 4 carried 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 2s are 4, 1 into 2 2, 7 3s are 21, 1 carried 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11, 1 carried 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 1 3s are 3. Now we will add it. 4, 7 plus 1 8, 4 plus 1 5, 7 plus 2 9, then 3 will come down. So there are 39,584 mangoes. Therefore, in 32 trees, there are 39,584 mangoes. Sorry to see it again. Now, question number 7. A car travels 62 km in 1 hour. How far will the car travel in 24 hours? So, in 1 hour, the car travels 62 kilometers. So, how much distance the car had traveled in 1 day, we have to find out. In 1 hour, hour can also be written in HR. If you want, you can also write as HOUR, no problem. In 1 hour, the car travels 62 kilometer. In 24 hours, the car will travel 62 into 24 kilometer. So we will do the multiplication in the rough side. 62 into, right here rough, और हमेशा याद रखना आंसर के साइड में ही रफ करना. 62 into 24, 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. Now we will add it. 8 4 4 8, 2 2 plus 2 4, 1 will come down. 1488 kilometer. Therefore, the car will travel 1488 kilometer in 24 hours. Answer. Question number 8. A factory produces 692 boxes in a day. How many boxes will it produce in 32 days? In 1 day, it produces 692 boxes. In 32 days, it will produce 692 into 32. So again I have written here rough. 692 into 32. 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, carried 1, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. 3 into 2 6, 9 3s are 27 7, carried 2, 6 3s are 18 plus 2 20. Now we will put a cross and edit. 4 will come down, 8 plus 6 is 14, 4 carried 1, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11 carried 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2. 22,144 boxes. Therefore, the factory will produce 22,144 boxes in 32 days. Answer. Question number 9. A man earns 1,125 in a day. How much money will he earn in 15 days? So we have to find out the earning of a man in 15 days. In one day, the man earns 1,125 rupees. In 15 days, he will earn rupees 125 into 15. So again rough, 1125 into 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12 carried 1, 5s are 5 plus 1, 6, 1 into 5, 5. Then, sorry, the 15 days are 1 into 5 is 5, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Now we will add it. 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 1, 6, 1. So he wants 16,875 rupees. Therefore, the person earns rupees 16,875 in 15 days. Answer. Question number 10. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. How many seconds are there in 35 minutes? In 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. In 35 minutes, there are 60 into 35 seconds. So again rough one, 60 into 35, 0, 30, 0, 18. So it will be 2100 seconds. Therefore, in 35 minutes, there are 2100 seconds. Answer. In this way, you have to do it in your copies. Now, this estimation portion you cancel. You no need to learn this one in your standard 3.